guys, this is your host again Akshada from DHC New Homes, and today we are here at Drishti Group presents Sapphire Tower. Guys, Drishti Group is one of the premium project in Ghatkopar East, and as said, they are launching this tower called Sapphire. This is one of the most popular housing developers that has always delivered on time along with your OC. Let us just go forward and explore their 2 BHK sample flat of 624 carpet. If I talk about the structure of the tower, this is a whole basically there are 4 towers in which your one tower contains 17 story. That means in your 4 towers they have the 17 story each, that format. So this is, they are also giving you all the level of unmatched amenities and undisturbed view of all around your apartment. So from your living room itself, you can definitely see the amenities. From your bedroom, the window of your bedroom, you can definitely see the amenities right from your apartment itself. Let me tell you the seamless connectivity of this particular location. From your Ghatkopar railway station, this is at very much close distance. You have your Ghatkopar railway station at a very close distance. Then comes your metro station. Your new metro corridor is also under construction, which is again at 50-meter distance from this particular location. Thane to Vadala, you have your freeway. Your Eastern Express Highway, Lokmanya Tilak terminus is also like connecting you from this particular location. If I talk about some wonderful worship places nearby, you have your 2 Jain Derasar, which is again close to this location. You have a Ganeshji temple and you also have a Swami Samartha temple, guys. So all over, if you see, this is one of the best projects. It's a premium. You have all the premium amenities included, along with AC double-heighted 3 ground lobby, indoor games available. This is the multi-specialist AC, grand gym where they are offering you landscape garden by an international agency. If I talk about the parking, guys, there is this 3-level basement yoga. You have your parking which is on your podium level. 3 level of basement. You have your yoga and meditation. Then comes your business convention center. You also have your jogging track. Then comes your library and all the world-class amenities that Drishti Group Sapphire Tower is offering you. This is the best advantage of the location and the fantastic connectivity for all the much-needed facilities that they are providing. So today I am going to help you explore their 2 BHK 624 carpet. Let us just go forward and roll in the clip of the 2 BHK 624. So guys, let me help you explore that beautiful 2 BHK of 624 carpet. As you can see, I am standing right here on their entrance area. As soon as you enter from here, on your right hand side, you have your kitchen space. This is your beautiful modular kitchen. Along with a parallel format, you have your kitchen trolleys right here. And then comes with a lot of space for your storage, your sink area, kitchen platform again. A very big space given for your fridge unit. Come in, guys. Guys, this right here, the spacious one, is your living room. You have your sitting space, center table, more sitting space, some more storage as well in your living room. Here comes your TV unit, and then from this window, you can definitely enjoy the whole amenity view. You can see the amenities are under construction. This is your actual flat, which is a Vastu compliant flat, and you are going to get it as it is. No changes are going to be made. Okay, let me show you the dining area. Again, see, as soon as you enter, very spacious dining area they have given, guys. And on my left hand side again, you have your beautiful common bedroom. This is your common bedroom. You have your queen size bed, some walking space. And then comes your beautiful wardrobe. Just have a look. Again, you have good space here with your beautiful dressing table. Come. On my right again, you have your common washroom, guys. And then comes your beautiful master bedroom. This right here is going to be your master bedroom, guys. Have a look. Comes your queen size bed, a beautiful dressing table along with this 2 lamps, and then again, as said, from your balcony you are going to enjoy the lifetime view of all the surrounded amenities that you are going to get. So currently these amenities are under construction, as you can see, and this is the actual thing that you are going to enjoy all your life. Comes your study desk here, or maybe you can use it as your dressing also. You can customize it, your TV unit with some storage right here, and comes a very big size of wardrobe area. Have a look, guys. A very big wardrobe, and since it's your master bedroom, it is also giving you a attached washroom. Not just that, this space right here in your bedroom, as you can see, this space can be consumed as your walk-in wardrobe. So guys, in 2 BHK 624 carpet, if you're getting a walk-in wardrobe space, what else do you need? So again, as said, this is their Drushti Group presents Sapphire Tower 2 BHK 624 carpet.